Hello guys, another staycation na naman. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Novotel Manila, Araneta City. At ang kinuha nating room ay ang Executive King with Premier Lounge access like complimentary use of fitness center, library nook, and complimentary checkout until 4 p.m. The room rate is 14,270 per night. And of course, konting silip sa resort ni Mio. Tara, ito tayo sa room. Pagpasok mo nga dito ay bubungad sa'yo ang isang king size bed. May flat screen LED TV. May workstation din kayo dito. At meron din ditong sofa. Check naman natin ang windows view. Check naman natin ang laman ng cabinet. Meron ditong safety vault. Tignan naman natin ang laman ng closet. May hanger. May bathrobe. May iron. And sleepers. Check naman natin guys tong laman ng open cabinet. Meron ditong mini ref, coffee maker, may electric kettle, may coffee cup, may free water, and may drinking glass. Ito sa left side, ang shower area. May free bath towels, may shampoo, may shower gel, and conditioner. And ang hot and cold shower. Ito naman ang wash basin, may glass, may hand wash, may face towel, and blower. And sa right side, andito naman ang toilet. Sa lunch natin, umorder tayo ng chicken and pork adobo and fried chicken. At sa merienda naman natin, umorder tayo ng burger and fries, banana and avocado shake, and fish and chips. Free wifi din pala sila dito guys. Tara check natin ang internet speed. Akyat naman tayo ng 24th floor guys, kung nasaan ang Premier Lounge. Ang Premier Lounge is open on weekdays at 10 in the morning until 10 in the evening. And on weekends or holidays, open siya ng 6:30 in the morning until 10 in the evening. Premier Lounge offers personalized service and amenities like food and beverage, all-day refreshments, afternoon tea, and cocktails. At sa right side naman ng Premier Lounge, andito ang kanilang library nook. At dito naman sa 6th floor, ang kanilang fitness center and pool area.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
And guys, included na rin pala ang free breakfast buffet sa aming stay.
Dreamy, breezy
umattend din pala tayo ng concert ni Neo.